In this tutorial, I want to share with you how to insert the list of figures within your document. So if you're writing your paper, or you're writing your thesis, or you're writing your report and you want to insert the list of figures, you can easily do that with these simple methods in this tutorial. Okay, so pay attention and you can see how you can insert your list of figures. As we have this document in chapter 1 to 5, and we have figures. We can have figure 1, we have figure 2, and we have figure 3. Maybe we have only 3 figures in this 5-page document. Okay, and we want to insert the list of figures containing all this. So all you need to do is to start by coming to each figure. For example, this one, we right click it and we can say insert caption, and we can put the caption from here. So let's say we call it figure 1 data steps. Okay, so you specify the location. This is a figure, and is it a figure or an equation or a table? Okay, so it's a figure, and what position do you want to put it? Is it below the selected item? Yes, usually in my own school the standard is below the selected item, so we'll go with below. In cases when the acceptable format in your school is above the selected item, you can always come back and select the above selected item, but for now we'll go with below. But at this time we can just see this is correct, figure 1 data collection, and we can say okay, and you can see it, figure 1 data collection, and it's below the item. Okay, so you can come to figure 2, also do the same. You right click, you can say insert caption, and you can just put your column, and then you can put maybe hierarchy of organization, right? And once you're done, you specify it's a figure and it's below, so you can just say okay, and it makes it automatic figure 2 hierarchy of organization. Okay, so you can come to chapter figure 3 and you just right click, you can say insert caption as well, and you can put it as data collection steps. Okay, so once you're satisfied with this, you can click on OK and you can have it inserted. Okay, so this figure 1, figure 2, figure 3. So at this time, after inserting the captions correctly, you want to put in the list of figures from here. At this point, after table of content, maybe you want to put in the list of figures at this point. So all you need to do is to come to references, and you can come to insert table of figures. Okay, so you could just click on this and you can say insert table of figures. You can decide to show page numbers. So this is if you tick on this, it's going to show page numbers. So this is a highlight print preview of what is going to show. Figure 1, the text that comes after it, and then page number. Okay, figure 2, the text that comes after it, and then the page number. So this is highlight of what you are going to see, and this is the web version of what you are going to see. Okay, in cases when you want to use hyperlinks. Okay, so right align page numbers, you can align them to the right if you want, and you can say tab header, you can use these dots. Okay, or you select this dash or this one, whichever one you want, you can select. And over here you can say the caption should be from template, the caption should be figure or equation or table. So for now we are going with figure, and it's include label and number. Okay, so label and number, figure 1, text, and then number. So once you're satisfied with this, you can click on OK, and it's going to insert it for you correctly like this. So figure 1 data steps is in page 2. You can just put it over here, list of figures. Okay, so list of figures, and you can have it over here to yourself. Figure 1, this is it, and this is the page number. Figure 2, this is it, and this is the page number. Figure 3, this is it, and this is the page number. So this is applicable to no matter how many figures you have within the document. You can always do that, and you make sure that you arrange it accordingly. You insert the captions accordingly, and you can just come over here with just a simple click. It's going to insert everything. So assuming you update the list of tables, you can try it. Let's see. So assuming we insert more figures within the document, so let's see what happens. So let's say in chapter 3 we add one more document in results. All right, so let's say we come to insert and we insert a picture. All right, so let's say we add this as a result. Okay, so we can minimize it a little and have it centered. Okay, so let's say we add this. So let's select, we can right click and we come to insert caption, and we can make it figure 4, and then we can put it results of Libre. So we can say okay. Once we are satisfied with everything, we say okay. We can come all the way up here and check whether it has updated, and you can see it has not updated. It has not updated list of figures, so you have to come back to the references always, and you can come to this one and say update table. Okay, over here, once we click on update table, we can say update entire table, because we have included something that includes page number as well as the table. Okay, so we say update entire table, and we click on OK, and you can see it has updated it, and we have figure 4 results of Libre, and it's on page 5. So basically, this is how to insert list of figures, and this is how to update it in cases when you have added some document or some figures within the document, or you have shift, or you put in more text and the page number also shift to another page. You can always come over here and update the table, and everything is going to be updated, including the table of content. Everything is going to be updated. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy or you learned something today, please feel free to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.